Hey guys, welcome back to Praise Shop Cruise. My name is Itiri. I have on my faux diamonds today, so you know we're going to be talking about diamond painting. I'm a little giddy. I'm a little giddy. I'm a little happy, y'all. I just got out of Hobby Lobby, and usually I don't rush to post any hauls. My hauls are usually pre-recorded, batch recorded, and by the time y'all have seen it, I have already hauled it and put it away. It's probably been weeks since you've seen it. But I am actually recording this in real time. Okay. I was so excited. So I went into Hobby Lobby because not for this art dot diamond painting storage, which I was really excited to see because this is my first time seeing the storage trays with lids in Hobby Lobby for $10. I went into my Hobby Lobby to try to see if they had put out the July 4th diamond paintings. Now I had already purchased this one at regular price for $5.99 because I was able to find this one at another Hobby Lobby. And I knew that, sorry guys, I had to fix a mic issue. What I was saying is that I knew that this one was coming, and this is the one I actually wanted, was the smaller bow one. So they finally put this one out for $3.99. I had seen other people haul the July 4th diamond paintings because other Hobby Lobbies were putting them out way sooner than mine. They finally put these out. There are some bigger ones that you can get for 4th of July, but I just wanted these small petite ones. So I went in for that. I was very happy to see that. But then I saw only one of these, only one. And I was so excited because I think I've had this in my cart in other places. And I was just like, I don't feel like ordering it. And I was wondering when Hobby Lobby would start just stocking trays with the covers. So I think I've heard mixed feelings about the art dot trays with the covers. But of course, I have to try for myself. I have to see what I like for myself. So I purchased these and I am so excited about these, y'all. And then they come with the small ones. So you get 12. You get a few of the large ones and a few of the small ones. And I just love this. And it has the tray at the bottom. You guys remember when I bought those other trays from Hobby Lobby that I've shown in a couple of videos now? Well, I don't know if they've premiered yet. They may not have premiered yet, but anyway, they've premiered. I've shown other trays that Hobby Lobby had from their own brand that didn't have covers. And I originally thought they had covers, which is why I bought them, but they do not have covers. I'm actually going to use those trays for something different like beads or charms or something. So I still kept them, but I love that you can buy this now in Hobby Lobby for $10. Now, I don't know if they had a large stock of these because, of course, when I went in, this was the only one left. It separates your diamonds. Oh, there's a multi-grid. Okay, yeah, I heard people talk about this, that you can put two different sets of diamond paint of colors in this. I would never trust that. That makes me so uncomfortable. I don't really know how that works. Oh, so you have drills that could slide here. I don't know. I'm not doing that though. Putting two sets of drills in a case makes me very uncomfortable, and I will not be doing that. Did this crack? This may be cracked. It doesn't matter. I'm keeping it. I was really excited about these, but I got to get more into these. I may make a special video of me using these. Well, I know I'm going to make a special video of me using these because I will be kitting up something. I will be kitting up something with these just to try them. So I was so excited to finally see these in Hobby Lobby. And then I saw something else I was going to order on Amazon, which is the rechargeable diamond art pen that picks up the drills. You don't have to use wax. I was going to order this on Amazon because I don't like the way the art dot one looks. The art dot one is very ugly to me. I don't like bunnies. I don't like cats. I don't understand why art dot did not just make a plain one. So I was going to order one from Amazon, and lo and behold, Hobby Lobby had one for an expensive price here, $21.99. But there was only one in my local Hobby Lobby. So, of course, I grabbed this very quickly the moment I saw it because I don't have to place an Amazon order now. So I'm going to try that one. I still may try the one on Amazon, just depending on how I like this one. I'll be making a separate video trying that out. And then I found this jewel picker. I have so many different jewel pickers now, but I didn't have this one. I saw this one, and they had just put this one out. This was $4.49. And you see this, what they call a tacky tip, and you don't have to replace it. It's not wax, so it's just a tacky tip. And that excites me. Any opportunity to get rid of wax excites me. Not that I hate wax. I don't hate wax. I just, yeah. I don't hate wax. I just would like to have other creative things to use when I'm not in the mood for wax. So I love the idea of this. And this actually says if the reusable adhesive tip won't leave a sticky, it won't leave a sticky residue, but if the tip loses adhesion, simply wash with mild soap and water and let dry. So you should be able to reuse this. If this works, this was actually made in Japan. That's neat. If this works, I will be getting more of these. So I'm going to keep that out. I was really excited about that. I also tried the wax pencils from another place, from another kit I had, and I liked the wax pencil, but I think I'll like this even better because the wax pencil, you have to continue to sharpen to get to the wax. And then y'all, they had just set this out, this Hello Kitty fun to make diamond painting mixed media charm. And y'all, it comes with the actual beads on the charm. So I quickly grabbed this up because these were almost gone. These were almost gone. And I love how they beaded this already. And this gives me so much inspiration because I have other acrylic diamond painting kits that I've done that I've like keychained just on the loop, but I didn't think to make like a beaded keychain, and I've been addicted to beads lately. So when I saw this, I was like, oh, why didn't I think to do that? So I got to figure out how to do this myself with my own beads. And then it comes with your standard drills and your boat, and then another keychain to put on. These beads are really cute. There's nothing special about these drills, I don't think. But I was so excited about this. These drills are not sparkly or anything, but I love the pastel colors. So these are not going to be in your Hobby Lobbies long because these were almost sold out in my Hobby Lobby. And of course, it's a quick and easy kit. But I really was excited about the inspiration to do this myself with some other acrylic pieces that I have with that loop in it. I just got to figure out what bead string to use, what to buy. I may already have something, but I'm going to figure that out. The next Hello Kitty one that's there is this one for $5.99. So this first one was $8.99. This one is $5.99. This one is considered diamond painting charms. I was so excited when I saw these. Hello Kitty is not my favorite Sanrio character. Pachaco is my favorite, but you're never going to see anyone really past Hello Kitty up in Hobby Lobby. They're just very basic. And Hello Kitty is always very basic. But nonetheless, I was excited about the idea of this, of these small acrylic pieces. And then I have other Hello Kitty keychains that I can link onto these. Oh, this made me so excited because now I'm going to diamond paint these and link these on my other Hello Kitty like heavy duty keychains. It's going to be like a beautiful Hello Kitty sparkly dangle because those keychains are sparkly. I was just so excited about these. So I got plans. I got big plans. I love keychains. So these are not going to last long in your Hobby Lobby either. And then I saw these iron on in dot transfers. Now, I'm not going to iron anything on a shirt, but I loved these two images of this coffee. So this is going to be used for my journaling because I'm just going to glue these in a journal. I have no desire to iron anything on anything. That's not necessary. I love how small and petite these are. Look at this little flower wax. Isn't that cute? And you have the diamond dots sparkly pin there. And then you have the kit of gems. Diamond dots is very near and dear to my heart. They give you a lot of instructions. They just make great quality diamond paintings and canvases. And this is just the piece of paper or the canvas, the part you're supposed to iron on. I'm just going to glue this sucker in a journal. Cut around these and put these in a journal, or put these directly in my logbook because my logbook is going to be mainly small projects that I've been getting through. I think this is so neat. They also had a Snoopy one. I was just so excited, y'all. The Hobby Lobby put out some new diamond paint stuff, y'all. I'm just so excited. Okay, so they had a Snoopy one and a Snoopy iron-on one, and I didn't want that one. I'm not a big Snoopy fan. I've done a Snoopy diamond painting. You guys have seen it, but I'm not big on Snoopy, but I am big on coffee. I am big on coffee. So I got that one. And then lastly but not least, I got these Care Bear bookmarks. I am not a Care Bear fan at all, so do not get me confused with someone who loves the Care Bears, because that ain't me. But these are cute. I don't go for the Care Bear, rainbow, pink, Share Bear, Grumpy Bear, all them bears. No. But I'm making a huge exception for this. These are pretty basic drills. Because again, I don't know if it's just something with me and acrylics. These are the bookmark tassels, so that's beautiful. The boat, the wax, and the thing. Did I lose a bookmark? Oh my heavenly stars. Did I lose a bookmark? Yo, I lost a bookmark. So there's supposed to be 2 in here. And I don't know if it came out in the bag. I gotta check my Hobby Lobby bag. But I lost a bookmark, y'all. It's supposed to be 2. I lost one. And I guess this was kind of open when I got it. So yeah, I lost a bookmark. But this is how they look. You're supposed to have 2. You're supposed to have 3. My heavenly Father. Okay, so I gotta find the other 2. I gotta find the other 2. Or circle back to Hobby Lobby. They're gonna have to see me, because where in the heck? Y'all, I did go back and get a brand new pack because mine was missing. But it does come with these 3 bookmarks. So I did go back and get a pack. Just in case anyone was concerned. I got all 3 bookmarks. I'm filming this impromptu, but this is how they look. I got them, y'all. I got them. For $11.99. Make sure you run to your Hobby Lobby right now. These are incredible finds. I'm so excited to try these art dot trays and this pen and these Hello Kitty acrylic pieces. I'm very excited. I will see you guys real soon in the next one. Bye.